The basic computer organization and designs. The instruction code is the heart of the all registers. The instruction code is a group of bits that instruct the computer what to do, the specific operations. It is usually divided into two parts. The operational part, that is often known as the opcode, and the operation part, the operation code, and the address part, the memory locations. The address part usually known as the stored program organizations. The diagram for the opcode is shown in the figures. That is, the 0 to 11 bit represents the address part, the memory locations, and 12 to 15 the 4-bit represents the opcode, that is the operational part. This is the instruction format of the instruction code. There are two types of the address part. One is direct address and another one is indirect address. It can be represented by the 15th bit. The bit is called the identification bit. Identification bit represents whether the address is the direct address or indirect address. If it is 1, it represents the indirect address. It is 0, it represents the direct address. The two diagram represents how the direct and indirect address works well. In the first diagram, the instruction for the add operation is stored at the memory location 22. The add 457s. That means adding the content of the memory at the 457 with the accumulator registers. In the second diagrams, at address 35, the add operation is stored at the location 35. It indicates add 300. That means it add the content of the address at 1350 with the accumulator registers. These two topic is the common bus system. Common bus system means how the registers are connected to the common bus system. The paths provided to transfer information from one register to another and between the memory and registers. The number of wires will be excessive if connections are made between the output of each registers and the input of other registers. Bus means wires. The figure shows its operations. The next interesting topic is the computer instructions. There are 3 types of computer instructions. The first one is the memory reference instruction, and the second one is the register reference, and the last one is the input-output instructions. These 3 can be differentiated by the 5 bits, 12 to 4 bits, 4 bits, 12 to 14th the opcode bit and the 15th bit. If 12 to 14 the opcode represents 0 to 6, it is memory reference instructions. The 15th bit may be 1 or 0. If it is 0, it represents direct address. It is 1, it represents the indirect address. The second is the register reference instructions. If the 12 to 14th bit is 111, it may be input, output or register reference. These two can be differentiated by the 15th bit. If the 15th bit is 0 and the 12 to 14th bit is 111, it represents register reference instructions. If the 15th bit is 1 and the 12 to 14th bit is also a 1, it represents the input output instructions. Thank you.